Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and guess what? This is day 5 of our 7-day sugar-free challenge. Now I know that we are going into the thick of it because this is Friday night. Now I don't know what you do on a Friday night, but you might normally go out for drinks, you might go out for a restaurant, you hang out with your friends, you buy popcorn and you watch a movie. So this is the problem right there, okay? So number one, remember, we've got all our healthy alternatives. Have brown pasta, brown rice, brown bread, that kind of thing. Carry your lunch with you so that you don't get challenged. But then also what I want you to do is get a notebook and let's write out, why are we doing this 7-day sugar-free challenge? I'm going to prevent heart disease, diabetes, my teeth won't mash up and I won't have tooth decay, my cognition, I'll be able to think clearly because sugar fogs the brain, sugar also ages me, sugar also deals with my immune system, so my immune system is quite low. And so when the devil comes, and the people then say to you, we're all going out for drinks and we were going to go out for lunch, or we were going to go out for dinner and blah blah blah, you're such a spoilsport, can't you just give up this challenge just for one day? You need to just go, devil, get behind me, take out your notebook and then read the reasons why we're doing this, and you will be fine. Let's keep going. This is day 5, 7-day sugar-free challenge. You're doing well. Day 5. We're nearly there, man. We're nearly there. See you tomorrow.